So how long does it really take to grow on Twitch, right? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. So in this video we're going to be discussing as to how long does it really take for us to grow as a streamer on Twitch. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there isn't a specific date and time on how much you can grow on Twitch because it all depends upon your own effort, right? This is just from people to people and then from a person basis, because if you're someone who only streams up to 2 hours a day versus there is someone who streams up to 14 to 15 hours a day, as a result, who is going to be able to grow more? Of course, the one who had actually longer length and so on. Now if you also want to learn about how you can actually get monetized on Twitch and so on, as you can see, I'm on the Twitch website, and then if I click on the profile icon from the top right hand side, and then if I go to my creator dashboard, over here you have to go to analytics and then go to achievements, and then once you come to this page, over here you can see first of all it begins, right? There are 4 stages to becoming a Twitch partner. First of all, it begins, which is start your first stream, explore your dashboard, update your stream title, and then update your category. The other is to build a community, right? So you have to reach at least 50 followers and then get 5 people chatting at the same time. Then you have a path to become affiliate, which is also becoming a Twitch partner similarly, but you can also make money becoming an affiliate. And this means that you have to reach at least 50 followers and stream for 8+ hours and stream on 7 different days and an average of 3 viewers in 0 hours stream. So you just have to make sure to keep that in mind. And lastly, it's the path to becoming a partner, and that is that you have to stream for 24 hours, stream on 12 different days, and an average of 75 viewers. So you just want to make sure to keep all those things in mind and then go ahead and make sure to start streaming that way. So hope this video cleared the confusion as to how much you can really grow on Twitch and how long does it really take, because it all really depends upon you as to how much effort you're really putting in. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.